Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my presentation tonight. Uh, Exodus Elite, I'm going to go over everything about it and why I believe it's the best opportunity out there. But the main topic of this video is why did I come in at the G1000 product level? Well, mainly to be able to make the life-changing $1,000 commissions. Now, this is just some uh, pictures of what's possible with Exitus Elite. I did make my first sale, but at the G1000 product level, my first sale was a pass up commission to my sponsor or the person that brought me in. So as you can see right here on my dashboard, it says G100, G1000, and qualified. So that my first commission sale was my qualifying sale. So I didn't make the commission off that. But now as I start building my business, I am also going to receive my normal $1,000 commissions plus all the pass up commissions that I receive from my uh, my referrals making their first product sales at the G500 and the G1000. So they're going to be passing up. I'm going to be getting pass up commissions from the G500 and the G1000. There is no at the G100 and G250. There is no pass up commissions at those two levels because Exodus Elite wants people that come in at the lower levels to make as much money as possible to be able to upgrade in the future. So I'm going to be getting pass up sales from the G500 and the G1000. So that's just to show you a little bit about the compensation plan. So I came in here at the G1000, and when I did that, I got the G100, the G250, and the G500 at no extra cost, including the training I get in those products and those commissions and pass up commissions as well. So, what is Exodus Elite? Exodus Elite is an all in one training platform. Hold on one second. That teaches you how to make money online and how to start your own online business. So, in Exodus Elite, we have the 5 product levels. Each one of these numbers shows you what you can make off the sale of each one of these uh, commissions. Off these products. So we can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions to the payment processor that you choose, whether it's PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, whatever it is that you want to choose. I suggest you choose more than one just to give your people more options to be able to pay for the products in your commission. And we also pay each other our commissions. So Exodus Elite does not have anything to do with paying out the commissions. They don't hold our money. We just pay each other our commissions. So we have the 5 product levels, and each product level has tons of training in it. This is the G100. You get all this training. The G250, you got more training. The G500, you get more training here. The G1000, you get all these interviews from six-figure earners. You get to learn their secrets on how they have built a successful business online. And then you also got some more training right here as well. And then at the G2000, you get all this training here. So you're going to get all the training and all the support that you'll ever need to find success in Exodus Elite. And tonight we were supposed to have a webinar, but it got canceled. So it's going to happen next week. And Exodus Elite has been running for just about 8 years now, and it's still getting major updates. Our owner, Paul Stevenson, is the absolute best owner to any business that I've been a part of over the years. And he's always putting us members and us affiliates first. So So to get back to this page right here, so how would you purchase a product in Exitus Elite? So we'll use the G1000 as the product purchase that we'll use as an example, because that's the one I came in at. This is the one I recommend that you do come in at. If not, then the G2000, because it's going to position you to make life-changing income. So in Exitus Elite, we pay the membership fee right here. This is a yearly membership fee, and we do not take any automatic payments on renewal. This is another reason why I love Exitus Elite and why it puts the members first. So let's say a year from now, you decide you don't want to use Exitus Elite, or you don't want to renew it right away. You can always renew it later on. So, and then important, to participate in the Exitus Elite compensation plan, you have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So you pay the membership fee, and then you pay your sponsor or the person that brought you in their commission. So that's how you pay for a product in Exitus Elite. And then now I'm going to show you one of the advantages of coming in at Exitus Elite. I already talked about the compensation plan and how you can make pass-up commissions from your referrals for sales at the G500 and the G1000 as well. But you can also make override pass-up commissions. So I'll give you an example of what that means. Just give me a second. I'm doing a lot of talking tonight, so I just wanted to get a drink of water. So an override sale is, let's say you come in at the G100 right here, but you make a G1000 sale. So someone comes through your sales page, they say, I want to make the $1,000 commissions. So what's going to happen is you're always going to make the commission at that product level, no matter what sale you make. So in this case, you make a G1000 sale, so you're still going to get your $100 commission, and then the remaining $900 of that commission is going to get passed up to the next person qualified, which is me. So you're going to get the $100 commission, and I'm going to get the $900 that's remaining off of that sale. So, and the same thing goes for all the other products as well. So that's why I recommend that you come in at the G1000 or as high as you can possibly come in, because you don't want to miss out on any other possible commissions that you can make. So that's how you make your commissions. Now at the G100 and the G250, like I said, you don't have to pass up your first sale on these ones, because Exitus Elite wants you to be able to make as much money as you possibly can so you can upgrade to the next product level. Now, let's say I wanted to upgrade to the G2000, and that's going to happen at some point. So when I came in, I paid $299 for the membership fee and $1,000 commission to my sponsor. So what's going to happen is I'm going to deduct $99 from here and $1,000 from the commission owed to my sponsor. So I'm not going to be coming in at the full product price. I'm only going to be coming in at $1,100 to be able to upgrade to the G2000. So I'm not even paying the full price to upgrade. That's why Exitus Elite is one of the best opportunities out there. So if you want to come in, I recommend you come in here at the G1000, because there's a 90% ratio of people coming in at the G1000 at any product level. And if you want to come in at the G2000, by all means, come in at that level as well. But at the very minimum, I recommend the G1000. Now, obviously, if you can't come in that high, then come in as high as you possibly can afford. Because, like I said before, the higher products unlock all the lower products at no extra cost. And that includes all the training and the commissions and pass ups and overrides that you can make in this business. So that's why I came in at the G1000. Now, if you come in as a member of my team, you're going to receive extra bonus training right here as well, on top of all the training that you receive in Exodus Elite. It's the 3 generations bonus training. And here at Generation 1, you got 27 videos learning from a 6-figure earner and somebody who has been in Exodus Elite and has been highly successful in it for 6 years as well. So you're going to get these 27 videos. They're still being worked on at the time of this video. So you have 5 that you can watch right now. And then you also have some questions and answers videos about Exodus Elite and the links here to the videos. And then Generation 2, you got some Craigslist training, the Mega Swipe file page, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. And then you got some Instagram training and a place where you can actually buy some traffic to your Exodus Elite business as well. And then here at Generation 3, we have some of my sponsor and friends' best trainings here. So not only do you get all this training here, but you also get the training in the products. And something that I keep forgetting to talk about in my videos is you also get extra training here at the Exodus hubs. So at the G100, you get all this training right here. And then the G250, you get more training here. And then the G500, you get this training here. And the G2000, you get this training here as well. Now, when I upgrade to the G2000, there'll probably be some training added as well. So now we're going to the Mega Swipe file page, which you can gain access to right here where it says Sean's Mega Swipe file page. So we're giving you some free places to also place ads for Exodus Elite. And you can use these links here. And we also provide the headlines and the ad bodies to that you can copy and paste into your ads. And obviously you can edit them as you see fit. And we also have some Craigslist scripts here, including the tags to add to your ad as well. And then we also have Facebook scripts that you can use to promote Exodus Elite on Facebook as well. And then you got some instruction on how to promote on Facebook. And then we got our team ad art that you can use this ad art in your Exodus Elite ads as well. Mm-hmm. And you can also show people what's possible here in Exodus Elite. This is income proof from my friend on what he's done over the years. 31,013 days in Exodus Elite. And this is very possible because we have the $1,000 and $2,000 commissions that we can make in this business. So you can use all this stuff right here. And here's an example of some $2,000 commissions that were made by my friend as well. So that's why I came into Exodus Elite, because I wanted a platform where we had a trustworthy owner and a place where we didn't have to bring in hundreds of people just to be able to make life-changing income. And so that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I want to talk about in this video. I covered everything about Exitus Elite, and including why I chose the G1000 instead of some of the lower products, because I wanted to position myself to make as much profit as I can in my business. So I recommend you come in at least at the G1000, if not the G2000. And if you can't come in that high, then come in as high as you possibly can afford, so you don't miss out on any of the lower product commissions that you can make. So, like always, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell next to it. And also comment on my video in the event that you want to get in contact with me. My phone number and all my other contact information is in the description below, including the link to join Exitus Elite. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.